Hi there, welcome back to Wednesday's video. So today it's a bit of a change up. It's not a how-to video. We tend to do those in the past since we've been broadcasting and publishing videos. This one is a demolding video. So as you can see here, this is actually made using leftover resin that we had from another project which wasn't filmed. But we thought, you know what? We'll show you us still moulding some beautiful pots that we'd made. So some lovely colours of resin here, like purples and reds, and some gold leaf was used. So we've got a nice little square trinket pot here. I suppose you'd call it a trinket pot. Take care as usual when you're demoulding, and the tip here I would say is just to give it a little twist and it'll come away. So nice square shaped one. With all the gold leaf there around the top, because the gold leaf was in the resin that was poured in first, and then we alternated the colours of the purple and the pinks, and I think we did the drop and swirl technique, which made popular I saw an artist called Resin Jewels on Instagram doing that. And then here we've got another rather lovely little I suppose you could put it rings, little rings and things, and jewellery and earrings in this. Another gorgeous little pot. This is a round one with a tapered edge, a little bit of faceting going on it as well near the top. So you've got more of the bluey purple at the bottom, the gold leaf in round the centre, then this lovely raspberry red colour, and then a little bit more of the purple at the top. So this is I think you call this an off-centered bubble heart shape, I think. Again, another lovely little pot. And there we go, just removing the mould. That's my husband just adding in these moulds to the right of it there. Gorgeous heart shape. A little bit of a clear up. And yeah, I mean, all of these worked so well. And we will check all the edges, make sure there's no sharpness. And here we go, here's a lid for a heart, another different heart mould, not the one you've just seen. I'm just checking the edges there. It looks like we've got a little bit of unevenness there, which of course we will make nice and smooth. It's always a challenge and a wonder as to whether or not, I mean that looks beautiful there, as to whether or not the lid will fit the pot that it's supposed to be to this pot. So let's just see here. Again, the gold leaf looking beautiful, the raspberry reds, pinky colour with the purpley colour, quite sort of royal colours, purples and reds and things, and the gold. Quite apt really for this year, considering the Queen's coronation. Rest in peace. The King's coronation here. And let's just see if the lid, lovely fit to that lid. That made quite the sound, although you wouldn't obviously have heard this because I'm doing the voiceover. But it looks beautiful. The lid fits quite nicely. Gorgeous, almost like cloud shimmer effect with the purpley blue there on the top. And here we go, another mould, lovely little star-shaped mould there with the pot. And you can see the gold leaf. And that came out really lovely and easily. And I think we're going to show you a little close-up of this as well. There we are. Looks beautiful. Lovely the way it just sort of mixes in with the gold leaf and the lovely raspberry pinky colours and the purpley blue. And it's just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous little pots. And I know I keep saying the word gorgeous a lot. You'll have to forgive me there. And here we go, we've got a cylinder-shaped pot coming up. This one was a bit of a struggle to get it out of its mould because it's got more of a lip on the top there around the rim. And there we go. You can always just spritz a little bit of isopropyl alcohol in there if you've got it in an atomizer. Just spritz it in between the mould and the actual resin itself, and it'll work its way round, and then it'll come out a lot easier. So there we go, there's the pot itself. It's rather beautiful. Looks gorgeous. It's got more of the purpley bluey colour at the top with the you know, the lovely gold leaf, imitation gold leaf, and then the raspberry reddy pinky colour, bit more gold leaf at the bottom. And here we go, we've had, I think this might be towards the end, 2 beautiful little skulls. So if you're into skulls, you know that we tend to have skull moulds free and empty in case we have leftover resin. So we had purple left, so we had these beautiful 2 little skull moulds with the purple resin with a bit of the gold leaf. I picked up a lot of the detail, looking absolutely gorgeous. These probably be made into key rings. So yeah, they look beautiful. And here we are. This is the end shot for you all. Thank you for staying tuned. We're hoping to make it to 200 subscribers soon. We may have done at this point when this is published. Who knows? But thank you if you've stayed tuned to watch all of our videos in the past and this one. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Why not give us the thumbs up? And thank you for watching.